he's grilling.
Okay then.
You want an introduction?
Okay, we'll rehearsal and we'll do the real thing when Mona comes back. How's that sound?
Okay.
We're rehearsing.
She sucks you in. Okay.
Let's rehearse.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You get the best of both worlds. Really, I'll take it slow when you rock out the show. 'Cause you get the best of both worlds. Really, I'll take it slow when you rock out the show. Cut!
What's wrong? I was playing my guitar.
I need to get some moving.
Something really funny has to happen now so that we can win $10,000 on the enemy.
What are you looking for? Do you need something tied around your head?
My bracelets and my...
Because if she doesn't have a neck, she's going to lose her hands.
I had nothing to do with the stuff she's getting right now.
Mommy, can you put this on?
Oh, I knocked the battery
I don't wanna. Ivan's gonna yell at me.
That's not Rockstar.
That's acceptable. That's fine. I'm not worried about it.
It's not Rockstar.
I don't care.
Wait, do you have it on right? Yes, you. Holy crap, you have it on right.
Okay.
But wait, what do you have? What do you have? Look at me. Ah! Konoha! Tie it in one more knot. So, Keela, tie it in one more knot or else it's going to slip off.
Can you do this? I can't get it.
Do this when it's all cleaned up. Okay.
Exactly.
I'm ready.
Do we have the spotlights cracked? I
Yes.
think we do.
There's the
Yes,
spotlight.
they're all on you.
I think we're good.
Alright, the camera's ready?
Except for that light.
I present to you Keela Byler as Miley Cyrus.
As
Can I just do an intro?
Hannah Montana.
Okay, just let her do her own. Go ahead, Kit Kat.
Hey people, it's Keela. This is getting on my nerves, and I need to have an introduction. We are going to introduce you to my mom. Ivan that spends most of his crazy time on the computer. Mono's out grilling right now, so we'll introduce you. And Edna, my aunt. Christine, my uncle's girlfriend. My grandma, which is my mom. And me, Keela. As you all know, hold on. It's been a great time talking, but it's easier if you find some of our legacy. That's just including what we have from him. His videos make me go nuts.
Wait, who is it?
We'll have some funny
Ah,
acting in
yes.
He is from A.
F
B.
And soon, I hope we have a tape recording, because we will be doing this when Joanna comes after we come back from the Rattlesnake Festival. And you all have to remind me, rock stars, you're rocking till rolling. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the best of both worlds. Really, I'll take it slow. Christina.
You shut me off.
Yes, ma'am.
we're putting Edna in AA. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's good.
Christina.
Rock on!
That's it. We're turning this around.
What's
I'm
going
getting
on?
scolded. I don't know what I
You have to
did.
hit them.
The drummers are always the ones getting in trouble.
This whole thing.
I was just in high pitch. I'm sorry.
You were working on the hi-hat.
We didn't rehearse enough.
No.
Are we done rehearsing?
Precision.
Edna's gonna throw her
Mama,
neck
put this
out
on.
if you keep talking.
Come on, you stupid thing.
Hey, that's what I need. A little pizzazz, some Aerosmith.
No.
No.
She denied you.
I'm Brett Michaels. You're Aerosmith.
Tie that somewhere.
Oh,
On your
I have to. Do I really have to tie it?
Yes! I'm gonna scream so loud your ears are gonna
Hit me.
hear.
Yeah.
Hey.
Come on, Christina.
And
Nice.
There.
Okay.
do that with your leg.
We're not having the
That's it.
I want it on YouTube.
We definitely need to practice and practice.
And you need to keep your jewelry on.
And everything
Are you gonna
else, just
play?
in case.
If not, I'm gonna ring,
This one
ring,
over
ring.
here.
What?
Somebody's calling me. They say they could use me.
Monroe's
if you
back.
don't.
Uncle Monroe's back.
Okay, and my Uncle Mono. And
He's here.
I'm about to go back out.
So, Christina, how is it working with tequila?
It's tough, but we do what we gotta do.
No, we're laughing at Mama.
We're in a recession!
Come look at
We take
Mama.
our job very seriously.
We work for pennies on the dollar.
How is it? How does it feel working for your grandchild?
It feels kind of funny, but she really works you hard. If you
Is
don't
that
get
blood
it,
on the keyboard?
Give her sunglasses.
Let's go see if we can find the little musician queen. Where'd she go? Keela? Uh-oh. Where did... Keela, they were laughing at Uncle Monroe. Get out of my mom's closet.
no.
Are you gonna stay in my mom's closet?
Telling your daughter to come out of the closet?
Yes, I'm telling my daughter to come out of the closet.
Oh my gosh!
Are you gonna stay in the closet? Are you okay in the closet? No. She's not ready to come out of the closet yet.